This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Johnny King. Sit back and relax while enjoying the gorgeous Indian River views from your covered patio. Ground floor, fully furnished, turnkey riverfront studio ready for occupancy on March 23, 2020. Studio has a queen-sized bed, sofa bed, fully equipped kitchen, 1 bath. Fully operational marina with boat slips for rent downstairs. Actual unit not pictured. Photos of similar unit shown. For more information, review the details below or contact Johnny King at 772-589-3054.